Hi everyone, this is David, and I just received my Samick Sage, and I am unboxing it. Got a lot of paper, packing paper, and there it is, Samick Sports. Take it out of here, open it on my desk, and as you can see here, Samick Sports, Samick Sage, right hand, 30 pounds. So let me grab my knife here, cut the seal. Ooh, it actually came with an arrow rest. Look at that. Interesting. I bought a really nice Sabula, but this is the regular string, 62 inch. I don't know why it says 62 inch. It's supposed to be 58 inch. It's a 62 inch bow. Whatever. So what I've got is this. I got a really good string. I want it green and brown. I want it to look woodsy, and I thought this would be a good match. So yeah, there's my stringer. Let me take a look at the, I'm not so worried about the limbs as I am as the riser. Let me see if I can take this, hold on a second. Come out this way. There we go. There we go. Gently. Okay, let's see what we got here. I know some people have reported blemishes on the finish. Let me turn on my light. Might help a little bit. Stick it at an angle. And there's the handle. This is the side. A little blemish right there. I don't know. I think that's actually the wood, guys. I think that's part of the wood. There's the shelf. The holes. So I'm looking for blemishes. That's this you see right here. That's just the finish of the curve right here. That's where they stopped sanding it. So can't complain about that. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me pick that back up. So yeah, those are the years of the wood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the years of the wood. Oh, this is nice. It's got a little green tint to it. This is gorgeous. Oh, I think I'm one of the lucky ones, guys. I have zero complaints about this right now. I ordered this directly from Samick's. Maybe that's why. No glue in the holes at all. Nice and clean. Wow. Darn, guys, I can't find anything wrong with this. Which is sad, because I know I'm going to nick it up. Wow. So there you have it. That's the riser, and I must say I am quite pleased with that. That's a rarity to get one without like a stain or something. So let's see here. I'm gonna look at the limbs here. And forgive me, it's kind of hard to do this thing one-handed, but all right, I'm gonna scratch it right now. So here you have the riser. I like to look at them at an angle. Gives you a better idea of the finishes on it. Wow. That's fantastic. I mean, you gotta understand, people, this is only a $140 bow. You don't normally get this kind of craftsmanship on a $140 bow. I mean, this is super impressive. Let me switch that around for you. Wow. Guys, I'm impressed right now. It's just a speck of dust on there. Dang, guys. Look at this little gold trim right there on the end. Look at that gold trim. Very nice. All right, let me get the other one. Here's the other limb. Samick Sage, 62, 30 pound. Again, I am just starting. This is a brand new hobby to me. So this is, so far has been absolutely amazing. The quality of work that they're putting into this. That's just nuts. I am impressed, guys. I am impressed. I didn't expect this from a $140 bow at all. This is very, very nice. Sweet. Well, there you have it. There's my bow. Let me put this over here. And I'm quite excited to get started with it like anybody would, but unfortunately I don't have arrows, and I need to get fitted for those, so I figured I would go to the shop and shoot some arrows and figure that out. So anyway, there you have it, the Samick Sage unbox.